that girl so big. She won't be done again. Okay, we need one of this. So we're back on this 10 minutes. So the fun is fun. I eat fiber, and the fun is chocolate chip, a cookie, and the fun is egg, sugar, normal sugar, brown sugar, soda, and the fun is vanilla essence. Now we are going to put in butter and sugar. Okay. Now about the sugar. Okay. Mix it to. Next, we need to put in soda. Vanilla essence. Then egg I put and vanilla essence. So I mix it up. Don't always mix it. So do you see? I think it's done. Yet I put a flour little by little. Yum! I love it. Cookie dough is ready, so I can put it chocolate chip, right? Okay, now I need to mix it. It's a little bit hard. Now let's scoop it out. I cannot wait to scoop it out. Let's put this on oven. 10 more minutes. Cool it down. Let's taste it now. Good. Really good. Yum yum. Bye bye.